come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
वारिस पठान साहब ने कहा कि मोदी का प्रॉमिस, नाविका देयर इज एन एको अगेन प्लीज इफ यू कुड करेक्ट इट। वारिस पठान साहब ने कहा कि देखो मोदी ने सब जुमला किया, 15 लाख रुपए उन्होंने कहा था डिपॉजिट करेंगे, हर अकाउंट में नहीं किए। मैं अपना नाम आनंद रंगनाथन अली शब्बीर सुलेमान कर लूंगा आज ही, अगर ये फेक न्यूज नहीं हुई। इट्स एन ओपन चैलेंज टू वारिस पठान साहब, इतना झूठ मत बोलिए, 15 साल से झूठ बोलते आ रहे हैं। आई चैलेंज वारिस पठान साहब टू
एक्सेप्टेड, चैलेंज एक्सेप्टेड। चलो मैं आपको वीडियो बता दूंगा जहां पे बोला गया था कि 15 लाख रुपया एक एक के अकाउंट में जमा हो जाएगा।
ओके,
15 लाख जमा करके
I will invite you both for a debate. I will invite you both for a debate and नामकरण वहीं पर होगा। वारिस पठान का नाम आनंद रंगनाथन हो जाएगा और आनंद रंगनाथन सुलेमान जी हो जाएंगे। लेकिन शहजाद ऑल राइट, ओके, ऑल राइट, 1 minute।
आनंद रंगनाथन से ही
शहजाद
Now, in the interest of a fair debate, Anandji and Mr. Varis Pathan, I never interrupted any, so please give me my opportunity. First of all, when you say that isko ye gali di, usko wo gali di, Hashimpura, Bhagalpur, Meerut, Maliana, Nelli, Delhi, Muzaffarnagar, Jalgaon, Mumbai, all these big riots where thousands of Muslims were killed took place prior to 2014. Tell me one riot of this scale that has taken place post 2014. Secondly, when 50 crore bank accounts are opened, 50 crore Ayushman cards are given, 13 crore toilets are built, when 12 crore Nal Se Jal is given, when 3 crore houses are built, Sultana को नहीं मिलता है, उन्हीं शिल्पा को मिलता है, नाविका को मिलता है और नबी को नहीं मिलता है. In fact, because of the school toilets being built, the Muslim girl dropout rate has fallen from 70% to 30%. In fact, out of the 15 top civilian awards that the Prime Minister has got from various countries, 7 are from the biggest Muslim nations: Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Palestine, Afghanistan, all of these countries which you consider either as emotional issue, intellectual issue or religious issues. Thirdly, I want to ask you only one question. Waqf is anti-Muslim. ये वही lobby है, भड़काओ भाईजान कमेटी विद सेट की नागरिकता छिन जाएगी सीए से. सीए से कितनी नागरिकता छिनी? वक्फ का बहाना है, वोट बैंक को चमकाना है, मुस्लिम को भड़काना है. प्लीज टेल मी हु रेकमेंडेड द अमेंडमेंट इन वक्फ? सचर कमेटी रिपोर्ट, द 9th JPC report of Rahman Khan. What is the waqf for? Pro governance, pro transparency. Who is it against? Land grabber. It is against those who scream and take the land away. You know, waqf has 9 lakh acres. That's 9 times the size of the land of Mumbai. What is the income? 200 crores. Who is not getting the benefit? The yatims, the anath, the bewas, the widows. They are not getting the benefit. Who is getting the benefit? The likes of politicians like Owaisi, and therefore they are opposing it. Therefore they are opposing it.
For the Muslim community, let it be beneficial for the orphanage or for widows. Let it be beneficial.
So, Varisji, let me ask you one question. Varisji, let me ask you one question. Varisji, let me ask you one question.
Varisji, one question.
Varisji, in the interest of a debate,
the widows, they want to usurp our masjid. They want to take our madrasas, Qabristan, everything they want to take away.
Varisji, one question.
In the garb of the amendment bill.
In the interest of a debate, I want to ask you very humbly, with respect, one question. Varisji, out of this 9 lakh acres of land that the Waqf has, name 10 hospitals that give free treatment only to Muslims built on Waqf land. Name them.
Many in India.
Name
Why
10.
are you worried? You can go
Name
there and
10,
check.
10.
Or you want to usurp that
10.
also. You want to
Name
say that
10.
no, they are not belonging to the Waqf.
10, 9, 8,
Waqf
7,
is a
6,
public-
name.
Waqf is a private property. It's not a public
Name
property.
10
You cannot take
hospitals.
away.
वो अपना ही
Name
private
10
property.
hospitals.
You
You own the India
I
Gate
can name
also.
several.
You
I
own
can
the
name
India Gate.
several of the
But where is the
hospitals,
hospital?
colleges,
India
madrasas,
Gate
masjid.
ownership
Why
लेकर
are
क्या
you-
करेंगे आप?
No, that is our lookout.
Well,
That is our lookout.
Property lookout is mine. Allah's property lookout is mine.
How is Modi interested
You
in
know,
that?
let me, 1 minute.
There are not 10.
आप
There are hundreds of
नहीं
hospitals.
नहीं,
There are
राम नाम
hundreds of
जपना
hospitals
पराया
which
माल
are
अपना
under
नहीं
the
हो
Waqf
सकता ना.
property. 100.
There has to be a
Not
rule
10.
of law that has to
Not
dictate
10.
everything.
अरे आप तो
And
मेरी
the
बात
Congress
पे
government, in the name of appeasement,
Yes.
just in
Everybody has to follow the
2013
law as
gave
to
away
what I'm saying.
29
I am
properties